Hi friends, this is Sagarika from Step Up English, extending a very warm welcome to all of my viewers on YouTube. Today's lesson is on English idioms using the verb break. With all that being said, let's get started with today's lesson. Broken health, meaning not in good health. Usage. The last time when I met my grandmother, she was in broken health. Broken sleep, meaning an uninterrupted sleep. Usage. Rena was woken up from a broken sleep to be informed about her father's demise. To break the ice, meaning to start a conversation with someone who you meet for the first time. Break down social stiffness to create a comfortable situation. Usage. There were unknown faces on the team, so I had to take the initiative to break the ice by introducing myself to others. To break the heart, meaning to make someone very sad, generally implies to an end of a romantic relationship. Usage. Tina decided to break up with her ex-fiancé to get married to Neil. Sam, her ex-fiancé, was left broken-hearted with her decision. To break the news, meaning to inform someone important news, especially something bad. Usage. Joy chose to break the news of the sudden death of his father-in-law to his wife as gently as he could. To break open, meaning forcibly open. Usage. The police officers had to break open the door to nab the culprits who were in hiding. To break silence, meaning finally agree to talk about something that was previously refrained from talking about it. Usage. Sheila finally decided to break her silence about her personal struggle with mental illness that is treated as a taboo in our society. Break of dawn, meaning beginning of the day. Usage. We shall leave for the airport at the break of dawn, said Sid. Broken dreams, meaning unfulfilled aspirations. Usage. Anand promised to fulfill his mother's broken dreams when he is financially established. To take a break, meaning to take a brief rest from one's activity, especially in order to rest or focus one's energy elsewhere. Usage. Let's take a break. We'll be back in 10 minutes, said Sid. Break the news, meaning revealing important news to someone, especially bad news. Usage. Someone has to muster up courage to break the news of Tim's accident to his parents. He's critical and they ought to be in the hospital soon, said the doctor to Tim's friends. Break a leg, meaning wishing someone good luck, best wishes. To wish someone luck, especially before a performance. Usage. Break a leg, shouted the teacher to her students on the first day of the examination at school. Break loose, meaning separate from something, physically separate or break away from something or someone. Usage. Every time my mother tied me to the chair as a punishment, I would break loose from it easily. Break in or into, meaning enter by force. Usage. The burglar broke into the apartment before the break of dawn. Breakdown, meaning collapse physically or emotionally when something stops working. Usage. Geeta broke down as soon as she heard about her husband's link with the homicide that shook the city. Break a habit or break the habit, meaning to discontinue with a regular habit or activity, especially harmful or bad. Usage. It took me a while from breaking the habit of snoring. Break away, meaning to separate from something or someone. Usage. He managed to break away from his captors and escaped. Break a law, meaning to fail to obey law, carry out something that is illegal. Usage. He broke the law again by resuming illegal activities, said the police. Make or break, meaning to cause either to succeed or fail. Usage. This movie is a make or break for the newcomer, said the director. Breaking point, meaning when one's mental state cannot endure further stress. The particular point when a machine or object stops to function. Usage. Rani came to a breaking point when she could no longer study long hours without taking proper rest. Practice lessons. I know Neil broke your heart. Don't be sad. You will find someone better than him in the future, assured Rita to her friend. We misplaced the key to the storeroom, so we had to break open the door. Sheila wakes up every day before the break of dawn. Anita broke her silence on being mistreated by her manager. The management took necessary action on this grave matter. Anil was left broken-hearted upon hearing the news of his pets passing away. "Break a leg," shouted the teacher to her students on the first day of the examination. "Why am I the only one given the task to break the news of the death of their son to the family members?" asked Jay with disappointment. Samir broke his silence on his involvement in getting his nephew kidnapped for a ransom. The burglar broke open the door. The tragic news of the plane crash was reported at the break of dawn. "Do you have exams tomorrow?" Break a leg. Break the habit of sleeping well into the afternoon, or else it may cause a serious problem when you start university, advised Dad. "It was tough on me to break the news of the loss of my employment to my wife." The victim managed to break loose from her perpetrator. "We had to break into the bathroom after we heard our dad falling on the floor with a loud thud." The criminal broke loose from the jail. "You have been looking after my aged father the whole day. Go take a break," said Sheila to the caretaker. "Waking up from a broken sleep has left me with a severe headache," said Nisha. "My brother tied me to the post because he got defeated in a game of badminton, but I broke loose from it." The CEO resigned with a heavy heart, for he was exiting the company with broken dreams. "I deliberately take a break every hour for 10 minutes. Broken dreams can be fulfilled if you have faith in yourself," said Mother. "The blender broke down this morning. Got to get it fixed soon. The ceiling needs repair. It is close to its breaking point. Anita is working excessively hard on the movie. This may make or break her as a director." The victim couldn't break away from her perpetrator, who had chained her to the chair. A ransom has been demanded. Amit chose to sever business ties with XYZ company when he heard about incidents where the management has broken the law several times for selfish interests. "It's easier said than done. Breaking a habit that has been practiced for long becomes difficult," said Neil in relation to alcoholism. "The building is in a dilapidated condition. Soon it will come to a breaking point and it will crash on the ground." The boy broke down to tears. The decision of the investors may make or break Sunita's future of getting them to invest in her business. If you are caught shoplifting, you are actually breaking the law. It's sad to see the younger generation are breaking away from tradition and convention.